Hello, my name is Guru and I will be teaching you how to use Python to learn coding on IDLE. For that you have to either go to your Safari or Google Chrome. I use Google Chrome. There you have to go to this place and search download and then Python. Then the first one should be this one. It should have the symbol and then click download Python. It will show macOS if you're on the Mac. It should show the different one if you're on the different one. But if it doesn't, then you just have to click the correct one that you are. Then click download and wait until it finishes downloading. Then when it finishes downloading, you should double click the Python file and it will give you this pop-up window. Then click continue and continue and continue. Click agree and then install. It'll ask you for a password. It might ask you for more. It might not even ask you for. Then click continue or install software after that. And then it'll just explain a bit about Python. Then you have to go to your launchpad and go to the IDLE, and there you should already open your IDLE, where it should go to the shell. It will not have any of these things written on it, but now that you have successfully installed this Python, and now you can go to now we have learned the most important function in the whole of Python, called the print function. I already used it 2 times over here. So the way that you use it is type print small, then make a bracket and an apostrophe, then write whatever you want. So hello, and then another apostrophe and a bracket. Then click enter and it should show. That's when you're on the shell. But this will, if you close the Python app and then open it again, then you'll have to do it all again. To come to a new file, you have to either do command N or new file. Go to file up there and new file. Then it'll come over here blank. So here you can write print hi and click enter. Nothing will happen. That's because you're over here. To use it, you have to click F5. It will automatically show this and click OK. Choose the name like hi. Okay. Then I click Python 135. Then click enter and it will show hi. Then here, to save it, if you don't want to use it at that moment, so to use it, to run it, click F5. But if you want to just save it and run it later, then either go to file, save, or command S. But mostly I would say first run it and it'll automatically show you how to save it, ask you to save it. But then to open it, you can either go to file, open, or command O. Then it'll show you all of your projects. Choose one, click open, and it's opened. So that's how you use it. And bye, thank you for watching. See you later.